Nothing helps, but Esmeralda knows how to lift her spirits. Abracadabra! Nothing! One more magic spell and… Oops! Wrong hand. Here, take it. A magic unicorn potion. I'm absolutely sure she'll get better. Put glitter and sequins into slime glue. Add some lens solution. Put the slime into a clear jar with a cork. Add some embellishments. The fun glittering slime potion works right away. A spirit of fun and good mood breaks free together with the sparkly slime once you open the jar. There is no trace of melancholy. Her friend is saved. Dolly runs around the room looking for her goldfish. It's not behind the curtain. And not on the shelf. Where's my fish tank? Oh, here it is, hiding behind a throw pillow. Pour some slime glue into hair gel. Put in blue coloring. Add blue glitter. Put artificial seashells, corals, and starfish. Dissolve some borax in water and add it to the slime. Put large and bright fish tank stones into a clear jar and put in the slime. A fish tank in a jar? The blue-eyed girl is puzzled. Oops! Dolly almost spilled the water on her, but it's not water at all. It's slime instead. It's as blue as the blue-eyed girl's eyes, but there are also a lot of sea dwellers in it. We can stretch the slime together with its dwellers. It's boiling hot outdoors when Dolly comes home. She could do with something cool now. Let's see if there is something I can get in the fridge. Oh, ice cream! Just what I need. Mix shampoo and starch. Put in a little body oil. Add liquid coloring. Roll blue slime in shredded coconut. Put the colorful balls into an ice cream bowl. Add cocktail straws and a slice of orange. However, the ice cream looks weird. It's hard. And the yellow scoop can stretch it out. It's slime! And the blue one is not stretchy, but it holds its shape nicely. The blue-eyed girl can't figure out what's happened to the living room. Is it magical fairies that have been here? Or did dwarfs kick up their heels in the room? Where did these pink balls and glitter come from? Like an experienced detective, she follows the pink evidence traces left by unknown guests. Pour some slime glue into a bowl. Put foam plastic balls into it and add some glitter. Put in a little borax and pour some water. This slime is shaped like a ball, and it jumps like a real ball. The blue-eyed girl has found no dwarfs or fairies, but everything turns out to be way simpler. She finds Dolly with a glitter slime ball in the dining room. So this is where all the mess comes from. Go and clean up after yourself. And meanwhile, I will play a bit with the pink slime ball. But playing together is way more fun anyway. Dolly enjoys her 5 o'clock coffee. All of a sudden, something dark appears right in front of her. It is so unexpected that she falls off her chair. Squeeze shaving foam into a few bowls. Mix it with different coloring. Add white glue. Put in a little borax. Join slimes of different colors. Put the rainbow slime into a clear container. What kind of monster is that? Is it a slime invasion again? You're wrong. The blue-eyed girl just wanted to prank her friend. This rainbow slime is special. The more you play with it, the darker it turns. Did you like our slime pranks? Then write in your comments which slime you liked the most and which one you would like to make. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new funny prank ideas on the Troom channel.